Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to find a MoneyGram reference number. Let's walk through it. First, open the MoneyGram app. It's the red and white one. If you're using the website, the steps are pretty similar. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Transaction History. Here you'll see a list of all your past and recent transactions. Find the one you need and tap on it to open the details. Inside the transaction details, look for the section labeled reference number. It will usually be printed in bold, and it's always an 8-digit number. That's the number you can share with your receiver so they can pick up the funds. Keep in mind, only the sender can view the reference number. If you're the receiver waiting on money, you'll need to ask the sender to provide it to you because it won't appear on your end. And that's it. That's how you quickly find your MoneyGram reference number. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.